How to set up call screening and call announcement. First of all, open the Google Voice app and sign in with your Google account. Then go to Settings from the menu. Scroll down to the Call section where you will find options for call screening and call announcement. Turn on call screening to hear the caller's name before you answer. This lets you decide if you want to take the call or send it to voicemail. You can even choose to block numbers directly from the screening prompt if the caller is unwanted. Enable call announcement to get notified with a brief message about who is calling before you pick up. This is especially helpful when you are expecting important calls and want to prepare before answering. Both features help you avoid unwanted calls and prepare for important ones. Now you know how to set up call screening and call announcement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.